front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on display and brightness. Then scroll again to click on screen refresh rate and apply one of those by clicking on the best one for you. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!